You show to Dada. No, you show to Dada. Because you must tell Dada what is the number. You tell Dada the number.
Yan.
Where? You point.
Yan. Two.
Why are you shouting? Why are you shouting?
7, 8, 9.
Why are you shouting? You're like the boy in the story.
Dada, I'm doubting being doubting. I am doubting because I am doubting because I am doubt.
Look, with Dada, oh, together.
I am
Keep-
counting.
Give your finger to Dada, like here, oh. Like this.
Point.
Now, count to Dada. Point. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. You wait for Dada. 9, 10. What is next 10? 11. 10, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20. Oh, idea! I will give a victory toss if you can guess the number.
Yeah, I will
Okay.
get
What is this number?
15.
Yes, very good!
You can put.
Later. And what is this number?
No, that.
Again, what is this number?
No. You
You-
can be put that or
No, you tell me what is the number.
no, that.
That's 21.
You answer me.
Later, but you answer Dada. What number is this?
Okay.
What number is this?
15.
How about this?
15.
Oh no. Kael did not know. You count again. 11, 12, 13, 14. Oh, what is this number? What is this number? Oh no, the boy don't know how to count. The boy did not.
The baby, the
Ah.
baby
So
boy,
starting tomorrow, there will be no TV.
the boy, the baby boy, the baby boy, the baby piggy, the baby boy piggy is now not to down.
Okay, so starting tomorrow, the Dada in the story said no more Danigo, no more Benjamin, because the boy did not know the numbers here. Oh, what is this number? What is this number?
No. No, ma. No,
Mama.
mama.
Mama,
No, mama.
tomorrow, no more cartoons.
Yeah, no more. Because
No more
Kyle is not
cartoons.
counting right and don't know what number it is.
Oh, the boy has no more TV.
So you need to
tomorrow.
study numbers. Go.
Bye-bye yan.
Not a pay-pay, Kael.
No, because I am hot.
But Kael knows how to count. Kael knows how to count, but Kael will not count. Why? Why Kael will not count?
Because I am to bye-bye. Because I am hot.
Oh no. The Dada said in the story, tomorrow no more toys.
Yeah.
The toys will be taken away. And no more toys.
Yeah.
Because the boy,
I'm not obey Dada.
no, the boy did not count. The boy can count. Kael can count, but Kael will not tell the counting.
The boy, do not. You alive. You alive.
Babe, give me the chart, babe. Give me the paper. I will tell you the secret, babe. Dada has secret. Dada has secret. You want to know? Huh? You want to know Dada's secret?
Because I am keep on.
Dada's secret, oh. Is this
I
all?
don't hold it down. because I have a chip on.
That's why Dada is here. Dada will teach you how to count. Dada will teach you how to climb. Dada will teach you how to swim. And Dada will teach you how to count. Oh, count oh. 1, 2,
2,
3,
3,
4,
4,
5,
5,
6, 7, 8, 9, 10. So this is 10.
Yeah.
Yeah. 11. Remember. Look at this. 12. Yeah, you memorize, but you must know what you are talking. You see?
11.
You can you point 11? Where is 11? Where is 12? Where is 12? Where is 12? 12. Where is 12?
Yeah.
No, that's not 12. You're playing man. Ah, you're playing man. Mama, oh look, Mama is sad oh. Because you are playing in the study.
Yeah.
So you tell where is 11?
No, Mama Mandy.
Where is 11?
No, Mama Mandy.
Okay.
No, but
Mama bought this oh. Mama work hard and buy this one for you so that you will learn, and then you will not listen and learn this one. Okay, Mama will not buy any more reading materials.